Varchar data types. Now, one feature I'm particularly proud of is the Varchar length stepping logic. In most tools, when you load data, the Varchar length is simply set to the minimum length needed to fit the longest value in that column. So if your longest string is 9 characters, you'd get Varchar 9, which isn't ideal for scalability or consistency. What I've built here is a smarter approach. You define a minimum length, in this case 8, and a step-up factor of 2. So if a value exceeds 8 characters, the system automatically steps up the length to 16, then 32, and so on, doubling each time. This gives you clean, well-structured Varchar lengths that are consistent and scalable, rather than those awkward, arbitrary minimum fit values you'd normally get. That's a clean, scalable approach to loading Varchar types, especially useful when you anticipate longer string values down the line. Next, we have the Add Identity Column option. This lets you automatically add an auto-incremented primary key to your table. You can choose to skip it entirely with none, or you can designate the first column as your unique ID column, whichever suits your data structure. Once those options are configured, we need to give the table a name. We'll call this one Sales Data V1.